Hello everyone, Phil Pravda here, suitcafe.com, and welcome back to the channel. And we've been doing a lot of things here on the channel. You may have noticed we uploaded a few of the podcast episodes of my new podcast. It's all been done before, and you could find that podcast on the website, suitcafe.com, but of course you could also find it on all social platforms that include podcasts, including Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, iHeartRadio Podcasts, and Spotify as well, and about, I don't know, a dozen to 15 or 16 different other ones. Some of them I don't even know what they are, but they're on there because they automatically get updated from the RSS feed. But check out the podcast. It's very interesting. It's a business podcast. It's not only about clothing. I do have some guests coming up soon that'll be talking about menswear, but we talk about all different genres of business. And of course, most businesses have been done before, and these are people who have taken that particular business that they're in and thought of a different way to go about it and do it, and they're doing it really, really well. So check out the episodes there on the podcast. And today I want to do something, getting back into clothing, back into menswear, because that's my main business, as you know. Suits, shirts, ties, and of course, custom-made shoes. And this is going to be the unboxing of a few pairs of custom-made shoes that have been ordered. We just received them from Spain. They just came in. And on the website, you can see right here, right on the screen. Of course, I'm going to make a video just about this because it could be confusing for some people. So I think a video about this would be really, really great. We have a very extensive leather gallery when it comes to shoes and backpacks and duffel bags and briefcases, where you could choose any photo of something that's already been made, like a pair of shoes, and then you could customize it and change it any way you like. So, and you could do that all on the website, and you could purchase it all on the website. So right now, without further ado, I'm going to show you the unboxing of these amazing, amazing shoes. So welcome back everyone, and here I have the first box. I'm going to lift it here, and I took the liberty of just opening the top so I wouldn't have to do that on screen. Hopefully you could see everything here. There is a pair of shoes in here, as you can see by the tape. This is made in Spain. It says right there, made in Spain. And we're going to open this up. I'm going to take this shoe box out of here, and we're going to see what these look like. I mean, I've seen them in photographs, but actually in person haven't really seen it yet. So you have the shoebox right here. Let me move my computer up just a little bit so I have some more space. I'm going to open up this box, and let's see what we have here. Now these are custom made. They're a size 12. And basically what you do is, custom made in terms of you could pick the color and the leathers and the different soles that you would like. And now it's off balance, so let me put that other shoe down here. Every shoe comes obviously in a shoe box, comes with shoe bags, comes with the optional, wow, the optional shoe trees here that are inside the shoe. But wow, look at that. That is unbelievably gorgeous. Hopefully you can see that there. Unbelievable, unbelievable shoe. So look at that. You have the perforations. This is the wingtip shoe, lace up. This is in the, I think it's the box calf leather. And right in here, you can see there's an insert here. This is actually wool flannel here, inserted inside the leather, also across the back. You get that little piece right there. The sole, look at that custom sole. Is that unbelievable, that custom sole? All leather, hand-sewn sole, and we have these beautiful rubber dimples that are set into the leather to give you that extra, extra grip. Sometimes when you buy new shoes and you have a new leather bottom, it's always slippery until you wear them a whole bunch of times, but not with this. And there's different variations of this that you can order on the website, but this just came out, I mean, really, really incredible. It says right here, made in Spain, right on the shoe. Let's see what color the interior is. This is the shoe tree. Let me pull out this shoe tree made for those. Right there. Leather laces, of course, and then inside the dark brown leather and suede lining on the inside. So that's a size 12 right there. Just absolutely stunning shoe. Hope you like that. Hope you could see it all right. I'll hold it up close a little bit if you can get a better idea of what that shoe looks like. That's, the front view there, and then you have the bottom of the shoe right there with the small little nails, all done by hand. That's all done by hand, this shoe. And of course, Goodyear welted. For those of you who know shoes, there's Blake and there's Goodyear. Goodyear, the more expensive, most desirable type of shoe, because within the sole right here, there's a layer of cork underneath. And that layer of corks makes it comfortable to walk on. It forms to your foot better. And also, it stops the water from going through the bottom when it's Goodyear welted. So keep that in mind when you're looking at shoes next time, even in a store. It doesn't have to be custom ordered. There are plenty of shoes in stores that are made Goodyear welting as well, from all brands. Goodyear welting. So I don't know if I have to show you the other shoe. That's the shoe itself. You don't think you have to see the other one. That's the right shoe. But I have another box. Let me put these back in the shoe bag. You don't want to damage it or scratch it in any way. We'll let the customer do that himself. So let's put these back here in the box. I'll close this box up. Now it usually takes 27 days to make a pair of shoes. I think these shoes shipped in 20 days, so they came just a few days early, or 21 days. So they came a couple of days early. But we're working on something new. It won't have as many customization options, but you'll be able to order a pair of shoes 6 to 7 days from the factory in Spain. So let me put those down. Now I have a much bigger box. Oh boy! Okay, this also made in Spain. You can see right on the box, made in Spain. And in here we have 3 shoe boxes. 3 shoe boxes in here. And let's see. Actually, one of these is a belt. So one of these is a belt matching the shoes. So let's see what we get out here first. Let's see. This one is, okay, full brogue. And, this is a very special shoe. I'll save this one. That's the one with the matching belt. So I'll save that one for after when I take the belt out. Then we have this shoe here. Okay, this is the whole cut. So the whole cut means that the shoe is one piece of leather, no seams like the other shoe had different pieces to it. This one is one piece of leather. And let's do the unboxing here. We'll open it up. Nobody has seen these yet. I have not seen these either. And wow, look at this. Wow, look at that shoe. Look at this. Look at the toe, the little chisel toe on the end. We offer different toes in the shoe, so you could have a slightly rounded toe like the other shoe was. It's a little more the British look. You can have the chisel toe like this one is, very, very Italian. And look at this one piece of leather. The whole thing is one piece. Even when you get to the back, that's the only seam right there, right across the back. That's the only seam that you have. And I don't know if you can see this color. Take a look if I hold it a little more closely. Hopefully it stays in focus. And this is a full leather bottom. Right here, all hand sewn, Goodyear welted, says made in Spain, right here. What a beautiful, beautiful shoe. I mean, just stunning. Hopefully the light is reflecting nicely on it for you there in the video. But this is actually a burnished burgundy. So the color is a dark red burgundy, and with the burnishing, it is hand rubbed with black all around the edges, around the laces, and also on the toe, and also across the back. So that's hand rubbed burnishing, and you could choose the intensity of the burnishing when you order shoes. You can. I should mention that the first pair of shoes that you just saw, those were $390. This was the same, $390. That's the whole cut shoe, and you could choose any color, different leathers, different burnishing, different laces, different interior leather. You can choose the sole that you want, and I'm going to show you the next shoe, which has a crazy sole. I saw the label, crazy sole on the other one. This is a classic hand-sewn leather, and you can see the stitching right here where it's all hand-sewn. Hopefully that's coming out properly in the video. And there's a lot of different customizations. You could put your initials on the heel if you want it. You could do an extra shiny toe if you want it. So there's a lot of different things you could see on the website when it comes to shoes. And of course, leather laces always standard. But if you didn't want the dark brown laces, let's say you wanted red, you could have red laces. So let me show you the next shoe, because I see on the label that's the funky one that was ordered, and that one has a matching belt as well. Let me just put this one back, and I'll put it down on the side. Let's put that in the box right there. And we'll put those down. Now, this shoe, I'm going to show you right here, was ordered with a matching belt, and the belt happens to be inside this, must be, here it is, yep, the belt is inside another box, inside a shoe box. I guess they do that to take up space in the, I'm losing my laptop over here, people. I guess they do that to, you know, take up space in the actual shipping box, so everything is sort of even. Okay, let's start. I'll show you the belt. This is the belt. This is how it comes. This is also custom-made belt. You can order your size. They're also adjustable. So if you're not sure of your size, you could order it bigger. You could easily cut it down yourself. All you need is a screwdriver, and you really need a hole punch of some sort, but any shoemaker in any town has that hole punch. Let me show you this belt. Wow, this is, I remember this order. This is the blue denim patina. So this is a hand patina finish, hand painted, hand rubbed. Hopefully you could see that color. Can you see that color there in the video? I hope you can. So it's a beautiful, beautiful hand rubbed patina blue. And I can just imagine with the shoes, because this belt matches a pair of, or should I say the shoes match the belt, or the belt matches the shoes. It's adjustable buckle, so you could take the buckle off right here with a screwdriver. You can cut it, and then you could put the buckle back on if you want to order a larger size because you're not sure. We make sizes 32 inches up to size 50 inches in a belt. So you don't always have to order shoes. You could just say, hey, I want to order a belt, and you can custom design your own belt. We have different types of belt. We have this one, which is just, you know, the simple classic belt with stitching on the edges. We have stitching in the middle. We have belts where you could insert different leathers and different fabrics inside the belt. And then you have your choice of buckles. This is the classic rectangular nickel finish buckle, but we also have rounded, we have gold, and also there is a graphite, which is like a charcoal gunmetal color. But this is just, I mean, just stunning. Here's the lining, the brown lining here. And of course, this is how it looks when the belt is closed, which is always a nice way to see how that belt is going to fit. You know, you go like that, and then you could see how the belt works out just like that. Hopefully this is coming out okay in the video, but I'll add some still photos within this video so you could really get a good look of how these things look with some nice lighting. So let's wrap up this belt. I'm going to leave it right over here on the table, right in front. And now let's check out these shoes. This is also the denim blue patina, but this has a very interesting sole to it. This is not a leather sole like the others, not the classic leather sole, but this is what we call the wedge sole. So look at that. Wow, look at that shoe. Look at that. That is the full brogue, meaning there's no opening here. And you do have a few pieces. This is one piece, another piece, this piece in the back. Laces are turquoise as opposed to being black or blue. And this is the hand denim patina. I mean, can you see that color? I mean, look at that color. And look at that wedge. Instead of doing a regular leather bottom, which you could have done, this person did the wedge sole to be, you know, it's a fun, bright color for the summer, being this denim blue, and might as well do something fun for the summer. Like if you want to wear some linen pants, or you just want to wear some jeans without socks, or maybe even shorts. You could wear shorts with a shoe like this. Something interesting with a linen shirt, pair of linen shorts, and throw these on with some low socks, you know, those hidden socks that you could find these days. But look at that. This is also the new chisel toe right here. You got the chisel toe right there with the perforations on the toe. And let's see, I'll take out this shoe tree. And inside, it says Suit Cafe, of course, inside. Inside is, oh, just the classic leather black lining on the inside. But really, what a stunning shoe. And all hand sewn. This upper, all hand sewn all the way around, if you can see it there. But, oh, very lightweight. I mean, the shoe tree, this is heavy. The shoe tree makes it really heavy. We should really ship it without the shoe trees because it'll probably save on shipping cost these days. But the shoe tree is heavier than the whole shoe is. The shoe is nice, lightweight. So there you go. That's all handmade. That's the denim patina. Now, the patina is available in the denim blue. It's available in purple, in green, in yellow, in red, and so many interesting colors. So you could take any shoe, any style of shoe. Like this is the full brogue, and you could say, I want red patina, or I don't want patina, I just want plain, or I want to do an insert of something else in here, a different color, or a different leather. All these things can be accomplished. Let's say you want different laces. You want turquoise, and you want a pair of black to be a little more classic. You can do that too. Add black laces. We could ship that also in the box. So really, really amazing, you know, how these came out. Really amazing. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed with this. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Of course, if you want to see any more shoes like this, just go to the website suitcafe.com. There's hundreds and hundreds of shoes that you could look at and you can customize, especially in the leather gallery on your own. And if you're into backpacks or briefcases or even small leather goods, we have like iPad cases and cigar holders. You can customize all those things in leathers or in exotic skins, crocodile, ostrich, python, all those types of things. It's nice to have like a briefcase in python. Very cool. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Here you saw the, this is the full brogue. You saw the whole cut in the burgundy. And let me just see exactly which model this one was. This one, oh, the long wing blucher was the first one I showed you, called the long wing blucher, because it has that perforation that goes down the side, goes all the way down the side. If you see, this one sort of tails off over here, but the first one goes straight all the way across in the long wing blucher, and that was the first one. So get in touch with me if you want to order some shoes, or go to the website. You can see everything there, and we'll be doing some more videos pretty soon. We have a very interesting guest coming up on the podcast. He's very well known in Italy for menswear and men's clothing. He's an expert in custom-made suits, and we're going to talk to him next week on the podcast of It's All Been Done Before. So please, please find it, subscribe, and stay tuned for that. And subscribe to the channel, don't forget, so you can see more clothing videos and custom-made unboxings of new merchandise coming in for customers. And of course, the new collection right here next to me. We've got a lot of new things coming up. So stay tuned, and thank you everyone for watching, and see you all again in the next video.